Muntagap. Muntagap.
We also have our barangay Koko functionaries. Ato ang PHW
Yuan.
OPNN 30. We also have our solo parents. Awan na sa atong mga
Next. Hello. Approaching. Again from Daniel M. Perez Elementary School. Daniel M. Perez Drum and Larco. Next to Daniel M. Perez approaching, we have from V. Corcuera
Guwapa yung chocolate, ay!
School.
Guwapa kayo.
Once again, from V. Corcuera Elementary School. Drum and Larco.
cute kayo to ang mga bata.
Aliyah!
Once again, the Santo Niño Elementary School Drum and Larco. Approaching is from Francis. Next to 8 Pichon Elementary School Drum and Larco, we have from Bunawan of Playa Elementary School Drum and Larco. Next, we have our persons with disability. Approaching is our float from the different Puroks. We have from Alternative Learning System, our teachers, kaway-kaway! Thank you sa inyong pagka-update.